Do you know the finances?
Finances? Why do you have your head in your hands?
Don't think I can afford shooting this evening. No money for cartridges.
Guess you're not going. Have
What?
to give it a miss for a week. Baby, look what I got you.
What did you get me?
Have a look.
Are you kidding, Chad? What the hell? Tea bag.
Guess we're having tea, so. Sucker! Oh, didn't see you there. So if you liked our intro, please give it a big thumbs up and a subscribe down below, because we're going through our analytics and half you guys have not subscribed that are watching our videos, so what the hell is wrong with you? Today we're heading to Ballivor shooting grounds where we're going to take part in a 100 bird competition. We'll try bringing you around all stands, and at the end we're going to show you the unedited clip. So make sure to like, subscribe down below and enjoy.
Pull. Pull.
Pull. Pull.
Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull. Pull.
So, welcome back to the clubhouse. Are you happy?
No.
No, well,
Barry
was.
did decent.
it was a tough challenge. The course was, I suppose the course wasn't too bad. I suppose there was some tricky angles. I think my hand speed was off a little bit, but new gun, kind of expecting it. But I'm happy out.
I'm
You?
back after 2 years.
Yeah, it's good going.
Did useless.
No, you didn't. You did good. But anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed the clip. If you did, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want. That'll tell you every time we upload a video, and
Which
you can
will
get
be
it every Sunday.
every Sunday at 7 p.m.
Boom. Peace out.